that she's my mom.
I love everything about my mother. That's one thing.
The kind of freedom that has been given by my mother to me is actually amazing.
She even understands the things even when I don't say anything.
Starting from eating right to maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
She still keep working on something or the other. Like she's still independent. You know, the best part about mama is, like, you know, she's still earning every day something or the other with her, you know, with her skill.
Sometimes I think I don't care much about myself than my mother does to me.
Stupidest decision, she's always been there, and she's like told me what is right and wrong.
मैं घर जाती हूँ, मेरा सामान जो है वो मुझे सब कुछ बिल्कुल पैक मिलता है, मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, वो सब कुछ पहले से ही रेडी होता है. मैं बोलूँगी मम्मी मुझे नहीं लेके जाना, वो भी बैग में मिलेगा.
For me it's like very simple कि यार मम्मा से कुछ शेयर करना है तो it's like this, you know, and I might get a solution.
One thing I love is that the amount of freedom and also the trust she has in me, which is the best part.
Of my mom, which inspires me all the time, is she still works.
मम्मी से है, उन्हीं से शेयर करता हूँ, क्योंकि वो समझते हैं मुझे उस चीज़ के लिए कि वो जो है कि क्या कहना चाहता हूँ.
When I'm making fun of my sister or my brother, and she's always laughing.
Probably seeing us happy. She's like she never asks for anything from us. She's like, just stay happy, do whatever you want.
The most amazing memory that I have with her is whenever we are together, we are always teasing my siblings and we are making fun of them and cracking silly jokes. That is the best memory I have with her.
After I used to come back from my coaching, so she used to sit down with me and teach me.
My mom wasn't well, so I went to the chemist shop and got her medicines and everything, and she started crying.
There's been a saying that, okay, if you worship your mother, you don't even have to go to a temple.
कोई नहीं होता था हॉस्पिटल में, मम्मी साथ में होते थे, तो हफ्ता में एडमिट रहा था, तो उस टाइम पर उन्होंने मेरा बहुत साथ दिया था.
I'm very lazy, she always, whenever I go home, she divides the work between me and my sister, and I'm always the one who escapes it and puts it on my sister.
मेरा गुस्सा, by God, इतना खतरनाक वाला.
Very lazy. When I go home, I just cannot get off the bed, because I go home to get done with my sleeping schedule.
For a woman to do so many tasks, waking up at 3:30, that's one thing. Like my mom wakes up at 3, and I find it very challenging because I'm not an early morning person.
Salute my mom that she's raised me and my sister.
Aura of a mother, you really get inspired with that.
I am accepting that I am like you and I actually only want to be like you, and I love you a lot.
I wish her the best of happiness, health, wealth, and a peaceful mind.
Keep loving us and keep making that yummy food for us. Yeah, that is something to die for.
मेरी मम्मी की जो हेल्थ है वो हमेशा अच्छी रहे, और जब तक मैं जिंदा हूँ मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं हमेशा अपनी माँ को अपने सामने देखूँ. बस
जो वो चाहते हैं उनके बच्चे करें, तो आई थिंक हम उन सबको पूरा कर सके और उनको वो खुशी दे सके जो वो हमसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं.
माँ सब वैसे तो बहुत छोटा है, पर इसका अर्थ बहुत बड़ा है, तो हमें यही करना चाहिए कि अपने माँ बाप को हमेशा खुश रखना चाहिए.
That she should start caring for herself, not for all others around her, and put in more effort and give herself more time.
This is one day wherein we have the thing in ourselves that we want to tell our moms that how much we love them, how much care we have for them, and we want to communicate to them that whatever you've done for us the entire lifetime, this is our day wherein we can probably give it back to you.
It's a very special day, Mother's Day. It's we can call it. It's a day when we get a chance to say thank you to all the mothers, for all the love and blessings